Hello and welcome to today's series on how I'll be showing you how you can care for your mannequins, whether it is gold, silver or your white chrome, just like you have here. So I'll be using the children's dress mannequin today to show you how you can take care of your mannequin in case you see that after a while it gets dirty. So how can you clean the dirt off your mannequin without you having any scratch or any other thing? So today all we need to clean our mannequin is we need a sponge and a bit of detergent and your napkin. So let's go. So what I'm doing today, for here my sponge is a bit wet and I put a bit of detergent to it. So all I have to do is squeeze out the liquid from my sponge and start washing. Just like you have, I just wash. I make sure that my sponge is not too wet because I don't want water dripping on any part of the floor. So I just wash this way. I wash all the body parts down to the foot. And why do you have to clean your mannequin regularly? Because you don't want a situation whereby when you wear your dresses on the mannequin, the dresses get dirty. So one of the best ways you can do this is to wash your mannequins just like I've done now. And once I'm done washing, all I have to do is just wipe it down with my small towel. That's all you need. So I'm going to wipe it down with my towel and then you have it clean as new. No dirt on it. This is better than you just using water to clean the mannequin. With this, you get a better result. Your mannequin will dazzle, it will be clean, your dresses will be safe. It's as good as washing a newborn baby. Yeah, I know, right? All you have to do is now allow it to dry. And while you're washing, do not forget to clean your stand. The mannequin stand is as good as always, also important for cleaning. So make sure that your mannequin stand is also washed and clean. And that's all you have to do. We'll give it a few minutes for it to dry, and that is all. I hope this video has been helpful for you in maintaining your mannequin and every other form of mannequin that you have. Until next time, bye.